Do you offer maintenance? Yes, of course we offer maintenance. However, that depends upon how you view maintenance. Maintenance to us as a company means preventative maintenance. So the way that you maintain a machine is by checking it, for example, once a quarter, where we will check the machine over, make sure that it's calibrated correctly, make sure that everything is running smoothly. If anything needs adjusting or changing within the machine, or even it could just be that you need a little bit of training or guidance on site, then of course we can offer that service. You will always have us on the end of the phone or via video chat to help you self-maintain the machine. I hope you found this video useful and that it's answered the question enough for you. If you want more information, please do get in contact with us either by email or of course by telephone. Thank you very much for watching.